Now that thing is stuck on there and it is heavy. It's very impressive. All right guys, today I want to talk about the Olsa Tools magnetic socket rails. The magnet is really strong. It's legit. So first things first, I'm gonna do my 3/8. I got my Allen sockets is what I'm gonna put here. All right, so I'm gonna put my 1/4" swivels. This is what they were in, and now we got this. Oh, lost that one. All right, so here's the real test. My big 1/2" drive stuff. See if this magnet's about it, if it'll hold it. That's 3/4, that's 15/16. Here's a big old 1 11/16. Got an extension, swivel, adapter. Let's put some more stuff on it. All right, so I had to move this over and stand this up like that, because when I was putting it on this way, it fell off, probably because of these. But right now, that thing is stuck on there, and it is heavy. It's very impressive. I mean, 3/4 deep, extra deep, 15/16 extra deep, 1 11/16 them. And I went from 1 1/4 all the way to 7/8, I think. Very impressive. This stuff right here, you could barely even pull it off. You can't pull it off like that hardly. You got to take it and pry it off. That's how strong that magnet is. I would say the detent ball is pretty nice. It holds everything on there nice and secure, obviously. But if you're looking to try these out or get a set, you go to olsatools.com. Check them out.